Alright, I'm going to be doing a Weiss Schwarz unboxing of the Hatsune Miku Project Diva F. I had this shipped in. It really sucks, the box got really damaged. I like to keep the boxes, so unfortunately this one's going to look like crap. Let's go ahead and get to it. And of course, like every Weiss Schwarz, you get the goodies that you don't need. But this is a cool set because it actually comes with promo cards. Let's see what we get in here. Probably gonna be playing around with this glare. Alright, Secret Police promo. Yes. God Tier Tune. And Tell Your World. So that's nice little freebies. Alright, first pack. Let's see how this goes. So I can get it open. Alright. All of our commons. There's our uncommon. Lin Bad Boy. Another uncommon. Hatsune Miku Ren-chan fan. And our single rare. Got a Ren. So that's our rare. And then we got a climax rare. Alright, some commons. Got an uncommon right there. It's pretty neat. Another uncommon. Continuing a Dream. It's one of the best songs on the game. And another single rare. Alright, and we got another climax rare. All of our commons. There's an uncommon there, another uncommon, and another single rare. And got another climax rare. I'm getting a bunch of climax rares on this set. Alright. Common, another common, and another single rare. Summer Memories, and again another climax rare. All these commons over here. Uncommon. That's pretty high level too. I'll take that. And another single rare. Striped Bikini. Look at Ren. And another climax rare. Are there only climax rares? No double rares or anything yet. Let's see. Cool backup card. Is uncommon? Ooh, I see something shiny back here. Is that uncommon? Ah, triple rare. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. I got the Emerald. Hatsune Miku Emerald. Look at that. I can't even focus on it because it's so shiny. Wow. Put that one out there. And the climax I got was just a common. There. The first common we got for the climaxes. Now these commons. Kitty cape, that's pretty cute. And a single rare, Never Ending Song, Hatsune Miku. I think that's the one that is actually, you can get the SIG card of that one. But I just got the rare. And then a climax rare. Got that back up again. Alright, and a single rare. Crystal Blue. And another climax rare. Fire Flower. Still got a few more packs to go. Some of these aren't wanting to open for me. Right. The uncommon. Seen that before. And then there's the Together With You, Hatsune Miku, single rare. And another climax rare. I think I've only had one climax common this whole box so far. Alright. I like that card, it's pretty nice. Glasses. There's an uncommon, another uncommon, and a single rare, level 3, original Rin, and another climax rare. Yeah, sorry we're kind of fighting with that glare. Don't have the best lighting available. Commons. Uncommon, uncommon, and a double rare. It's pretty nice. I guess we'll put that over here. Don't think I had any other double rares yet. Yeah, those are all just single rares. And the climax card we had, climax common. Pretty cute. And a double rare. Emerald. It's nice. And we got a climax common. Oops. And a single rare. Linkage. And the climax common. looks like I got about 5 more packs or so. Got that card again. Got a double rare, Ren Scissors. So that's 3 double rares and a triple rare so far. And then a climax coming. Another swimsuit Miku. And a single rare. I like that card right there. It's pretty cool animation on it. If I can get that glare off. Rinchan now. And a single rare. And we got a climax coming. I actually have 3 more packs left. And a single rare, Hatsune Miku Agitation. There we go. And we got a climaxer. It's nice. Ooh, I saw something shiny back there. Oops. Alright. Deep Sky. Oh, wow. Oh, that's beautiful. This is the first SIG card I've actually ever pulled myself. I hate how this is so... the light shining on it. Maybe that'll look a little bit better. It's beautiful! Yay, I'm super happy now. Alright, let's see, it gets a little bit closer. And there's Climax Common. That's what we pay for. Those SIG cards. So cute. Alright. After this we got 1 more pack. Yeah, this is the second box that I've ever purchased in my life. The other one was a Persona 4, that's what I usually run, so I had a little bit of extra money, so I was like, I want some Hatsune Miku. So, there's the rare that I got, single rare. And that's cute, just a Climax Common. Alright, and this is the last one. Alright. And a double rare. Electron Diva. Double rares go there. And Climax Common. Alright, so let's just kind of review the rares that we got. I'm gonna pull it down a little bit further. Alright, we got this one. Agitation. Ha 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 ha. Alright, and the double rares. And the triple rare, that's super pretty too. And of course, this amazing Sig card. The cute little kitty cat she drew. Alright, well that was a very successful box opening. I hope you semi-enjoyed it, even though it was blurry in the background and had that unnecessary glare just because I don't have a proper way of lighting this area. But if you liked it, maybe in the future I can buy another box. Most likely it'd be the Hatsune Miku Project Diva F second. My local shop hasn't gotten any in stock, but I'm sure they'd order some for me, so I wouldn't have to wait and get a jacked up box in the mail. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it even a little bit.